So in Thunderbird, a lot of background activities may be happening and you may not know about it. So if you want to go ahead and keep track of those activities, then what you simply need to do is go on to the Tools menu and then go to Activity Manager right here. So right now, it seemed as if nothing was happening, but you can see that it is actually indexing the messes right here. So this is what you have, as you can see. And now you know that your computer is using up certain resources for indexing the messages in Thunderbird. So this is how you can keep track of activity that is happening. You can clear out the list if you have any other activities that is clogging up right here as well, and only see the activity that is happening. But right now it is only indexing the messages right here. So certain activity may be happening, it's like downloading something or so forth, then simply go on to the activity manager and you'll be able to track it from over there. And that is how you can access the activity manager to track out the things that is happening inside of Thunderbird. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.